Hi, I'm Meg. I'm an agency nurse from Australia. After literally working myself to a standstill, I had a destroyed hip. I had x-rays with my doctor. She apologised because she said it was bone on bone and I would need it replaced. She referred me to a surgeon specialist, orthosurgeon, and when I rang the surgery, they said at least for an appointment, I'd be looking at 12 months just to talk to the surgeon. After that, I would go on a waiting list. Now, I have a mortgage and I don't have the luxury of having nothing, so the government would support me. So I thought, this is not good enough, I'm going to have to look elsewhere. I looked online and found India to be right up there, top, for orthopaedic surgeons and surgery. Looking further into it, IndiCure came up. I looked into IndiCure and they were highly recommended. So I decided from there to go with IndiCure. Now, from that decision through to actually going under the knife, including the orthosurgeon's consultation, less than 3 weeks. Because my hip was that bad, I had to fly over business class, and with the surgery on top of the package, like I picked one of the top packages, it was around $20,000 all up. I was able to draw down on my mortgage, and I've had my surgery done. It was done a week ago. I have just this morning walked a whole kilometre around the block without a walking stick or anything. I just did it on my own. I was slow, I stopped a few times, but it was unaided. A week after surgery. They've got procedures that we don't do in Australia. They go through the front, which splits the muscle, not through the side or the back, which cuts the muscle. So much more advanced. If you have to do it, go IndiCure. They will see you through the whole way. They pick me up from the airport, they take me to my appointments, they make sure everything's okay. They're in contact nearly every day to make sure everything's going smoothly. Do it. IndiCure is the way to go. Thank you.